Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out something for the DIY detail perfectly safe brush. In Europe it comes with an adapter like this. For me, the one that it came with broke, so I 3D printed one. This one so far holds fine. Not sure for how long would it, but just to avoid the issue with, I ordered from AliExpress some American style broom handle. I'm going to use like 3 of these 4 bits to put together, and we'll see how it works with these ones. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the broom handle, the US style broom handle from AliExpress to the DIY detail perfectly safe brush. So far it looks massive, definitely feels more solid than the adapter. Hopefully it is going to last longer than that. But yeah, by the look and feel of it, it really does feel more sturdy than the adapter. But we will see. Anyhow, so far I can recommend it, why not? And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.